Or golly. Thought I'd do a little video here. Getting cool outside here, y'all. Dogs out here running around. Dirt road. Right here, the boy. Dirt road. Boy, you got that. Rusty Bucket said dirt road was his favorite. Tell Rusty Bucket, hey, dirt road. Hey, tell him, hey. The dogs running everywhere out here. They ran him back home. Her little miniature Dobson Sparky. Hey Michelle, I hope Marty's doing better and you. I know y'all have had COVID. Alright, right there, dirt road. Down here. Down here at the old horseshoe pit. It's gonna be a cold night tonight, boy. Already getting cool out here. I had to get put my jacket on. Hi, Draggy. This Mom's old Subaru here, it's got a blowed head gasket on it. Have it fixed one of these days, maybe. Got a lot of new parts on this car. They should be cleaned up. Some Subarus goes good in the snow. It's got a new gas tank on it. It's got a new radiator on it. New brakes all the way around it. She just had all that done to it. Then not long after that, it blowed a head gasket. It's been sitting here, I guess, for about 7, 8 years, dust all over it. Mom thinking about getting her some chickens. Figure I'd fix this place up, put some chickens in here for her. Said she'd like to have at least 2 hens and a rooster. I told her we'd wait till it gets summertime. Well, the spring anyways. Let this cold weather come through first. Right there's where her land ends, where it red piece of tape there is. Runs down about the gully down through there. And it comes all the way back around through here. She had some chickens at one time. Something got in the cage. Right there was her pen. Something got in there and killed them all. That wire there is still not bad shape. She said the way her chickens got killed, something ate their heads off, left the body laying there, but all their heads was gone. So I didn't know if it was a possum or raccoon or a fox or something must have got in there to them somehow or another. This is right here, like I say, is her old pen. It's fell in now. That was years ago. She used to have some chickens. Here was a pen she kept them in, some of them. Like that, how'd you get in there? You ain't no chicken. Get out of there, boy. How'd you get up in there? Okay, you went in over here, I guess. Right here was one of her chicken coops. Her husband she was married to passed away. He's been dead, let's see, this past Christmas, I think, made 6 years. He died on Christmas Eve. I think he's been dead 6 years now, I think. I think I'm right. Yeah, she owns all this land down through here. All the way down there to about that big poplar tree. Them two going straight up right there. She owns right at 2 acres here. Bunch of briars down in here. Now a briar thicket. There's one of her outside buildings. She's got it packed full of stuff. Just see what's in there. There's some floor in there. That Christmas stuff in here. Look like a big old flower pot over there. See a Santa Claus back yonder. TV. But Reggie, you better come out. Lock you up. You don't want to stay in there all night. It's cold as it's gonna be, do you? There's Blackjack. He's the daddy of Dirt Road right there. Charlie, he's a mixed Chihuahua and some other type of mutt. He's the oldest. He's about 10 years old. I used to raise Boxer Bulldogs. I'll give her a couple of them. That was a few years back, but they died out now. She used to keep one down there in that little lot her husband that passed away built for her. Old building here got a bunch of junk in it too. Look what we got up in here. Couple of end tables over there. See a couple of chairs back yonder. Oh, look like canned food or something back here. Bunch of old clothes laying here, it looks like. What is this? Cookie Monster. No, Cookie Monster is blue. I ain't sure who that is. He's something off of Sesame Street. A little chair for like a little kid sat in. Door on this thing here, bounce all off. But my mom's land, it goes on down here. Down there, the red piece of tape goes down through yonder, I guess. I guess probably about half of that hill there she owns. Their deer comes up here in her backyard. See, this backyard here, up there's the house. Danny and Steven's supposed to do a concert tonight. So I'd throw that out there for you. Starts at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be on Danny Stephen Hodges channel on YouTube. Everyone come and join in. Get to watch a live concert free. Don't cost you nothing. Go to YouTube and type it in, Danny Stephen Hodges. Hey Tammy, hey Marcus, Pamela, James Shoemate. Hope y'all all having a great day. Might have to crank the old stove up tonight. Gonna get cool tonight. Feels like it already. James, I just come from down there at the horseshoe pits. You're going to have to get back over here one day and throw me in some horseshoes. Show you how to throw some ringers. Couple of bears she's got here. They need to be repainted. Paint wearing off of them. Got mama bear and a cub. Our land ends right here. So bounce straight up through there. All that on that side. This tree right here belongs to someone else. But that land over there won't perk. They was trying to sell it this past summer, but I couldn't get it to perk. Before they come in here with one of them little backhoes, dug out a bunch of holes, never could get the land to perk. I think they want them. This here ain't even quite an acre for this lot, and I think they want like $8,000 for it, but what good is it if it won't perk? Unless you want to get you some cows or horses or something to put on it. They dug that big hole there. Dug a couple more out here. Right up here you can tell dirt's raised up yonder. They dug a hole up yonder. Dug one right here. The guy my son works for, he's the one that come in here and surveyed this land and marked it off. I helped him on Saturday last summer. His name Bodine Shoe. Tammy Shoe there knows who I'm talking about. Tammy's married to Bodine Shoe's brother. Or now this Tammy Shoe could be Bodine's wife. I ain't sure which one that is. Two Tammy Shoes around here. Both of them is married to brothers. But anyway, it's a little nature walk. This lot here goes right down there's the flag. Goes back down around that way and up through here. And it comes back out. We dug a hole down here too. I don't know what they got this flag for. Maybe if it would have perked to put in a septic tank system or something, I guess. It never would perk, so people that was interested in buying it backed out of it. So rocky, man, it won't perk. My mom first set up over there, man. I was picking up rocks every time I come mow, man. Rocks after rocks after rocks. Like that place screwed rocks. Another big hole they dug. Our neighbor's dog barking that big German Shepherd. Y'all seen him in my videos, y'all seen him before. Well, made it back out of the woods. We're back at Mom's house. Mom was the first one that had a place put down in here. Oh, there's double wides everywhere. That was back in 2001. So she's been here about 21 years, 22 years. Oh yeah, she's got a big Jesus right here. I want to show y'all. Standing here. It needs to be repainted also. Said she'd get $500 for that statue. Show you how tall it is. It's down here beside of it here. Man, Jesus, about the same height I am. A little shorter, I might have an inch or two on. Man, Jesus. That's right. Well, I'm gonna get back down here at the house. Hope everybody has a good rest of the day. I'll catch yous in the next video. Like I say, don't forget the concert tonight, 7 p.m. short. Danny Stephen Hodges channel. I'll go to YouTube and punch in his name, Danny Stephen Hodges. Alright, y'all have a great day.